Hi guys, we have many scrub pads by the brand Scotch Brite, but this one is different. In this video, let me show you review of Scotch Brite Power Scrub. This one piece will cost you rupees 55 and the material of this scrub is sponge, but it has steel loops all over the sponge. It is basically 2-in-1 sponge plus steel both, and the texture is rough, but this one give a good grip. And you see the corners are sealed here. It retain the shape, it bounce back. The dimensions are 10 by 8 cm, and this scrub can be used on all your kitchen utensils, be it a malai pan or a burnt kadai. This will remove everything. And look at the foam, how much foam it is creating. The pack says that it can be used for cleaning kitchen sink, gas stove, kitchen tiles, but more than anything else, it works magical on the utensils. Coming to the negatives, I couldn't find any drawback as such. It's just that it cannot be used on the non-stick utensils because it has these steel loops. It will damage the coating. This one is durable and lasts for a longer period, definitely much longer than the regular green sponges. So overall, this power scrub is a hit and indeed live up to its claim. I wholeheartedly recommend this power scrub as it proves to be a reliable cleaning companion. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos.